Kadau ïakhih ki nonghikai hadu bandapoi thia miet surok bandawai la ka hok jongki ha ka samoi traikam jong ka MDA1 kalapan bore ka Sorkar ban shimye karai ban thau no da ka Education Commission ban pej banya yakini gijing baro bat kanika commission kala urlong ha ka khat sau tarik unaitung arja apulai kanika commission kan pej yaki kam ki bayadei bat gijing ki nonghikai SSA nalor ki waipat Kanika Commission kan traikam arsnam nadu bala penmi ya ka notification but unclear ya ka da ka Professor Sherwin Mary Sunga jong katanat Education Northeastern Hills University. Kanika Commission kadan armut kinong ay jingmut kata Chairman Barim ka Union Public Service Commission u Professor David Ars Imli but u Executive Member Barim jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education u Tony TC Marak. U Ambrose Marak, Secretary Katanat Education ke Sorkar Jelapan, undai u Member Secretary nalor ki waipat ki riutben, bat ki riusyam pang jong ka jela. U Menteri Badai Pej Katanat Education jong Sorkar Jela u rakam sang ma ulaong. Baka Niko Commission kan ïathir ban weng ki jing ki nonghikai hagi sertap baper.
The government of Meghalaya, Education Department, we understand the lot of challenges that has been inherited for the past many years, and the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, and with a mission and objective to take forward this sector for the greater interest. And because if you want to move forward, the education of any government, education department of any nation should grow, and that should be on the highest priority. With that note, the government of Meghalaya, the cabinet has already decided to set up the Meghalaya Education Commission in 2022, having 4 members to look after all these issues and to study, to assess and to advise the government with certain recommendation and a certain suggestion be with respect to the school curriculum, school administration, categorization of certain school teacher, and to advise and to recommend to the government, and also to recommend concrete solution and strategic intervention and policy decision for ushering reform in the schools and higher education system from the perspective of the NEP 2020 and fulfilling its various principles and articulation. And also to study the existing gap situation, issues in depth, and the problem areas of the being faced in the education department, and to formal principle and guidelines that will streamline and improve the condition in the problem areas of the department, and of that the Meghalaya state education policy to be in sync with the NEP 2020, and to recommend the policy change wherever applicable upon study of policy change proposal to be submitted by the state government or expert group or agency, and to discuss on way forward or the issues pertaining to the teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, and to discuss and recommend and to advise the government in establishment of effective mechanism to ensure fair parity with regards to the salaries of teachers under different aided categories with respect to the government teacher, and to look into the management of aided schools and the colleges, their performance concerning general administrative functioning, operation and accountability of a school management committee. And the committee shall also look into all the major issues that are impacting the education sector in the state of Meghalaya and others. Therefore, after extensive search of the search committee, and after looking for the best person, the experienced person, the academician, the administrator, and the one, so we have identified, and the panel has come up with names for us, and the government has today would like to inform everybody the following four the expert members will be heading the Meghalaya State Education Commission that will be the asset for the state of Meghalaya and in general and to the education department in particular. So first, as a chairperson, the present Professor Asam Sungo, the Department of Education of Eastern Hill University, will be the chairperson of the committee, and Professor David Simley, former UFPC chairman, Government of Meghalaya, as a advisor who is a well academician and an experienced person of the state. And number 3, Sri Tony T.C.H. Marak, as a advisor, school sector reform, retired IVS and a former executive chairman, Meghalaya Board of School Education, Government of Meghalaya, and Sri Ambrose C.H. Marak, IAS, Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya as a member secretary. And to assist them, we have another 12 members as a co-opted member of the commission. They are Dr. Mrs. C.A.R. Dingdo, retired CDC Nehu Shillong, and Dr. Mrs. Vanessa Karmaplang, the principal CTE PGT Shillong, Dr. Mrs. Nikme Salse C.H. Mormon, Professor, Northeastern Hill University, Tura campus, Sri P. Ringskai, retired Additional Director of School Education and Literacy Shillong, and Dr. Charles Reuben Lingdo, Associate Professor, Synod College Shillong, Sri Sangra E. Sangma, Associate Professor, Department of History, Don Bosco College, Tura, and Sri Rahul Chatterjee, Assistant Lecturer, Physics, Jail Road Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, and Brother Solomon T. Morris, Principal, St. Edmund Catholic Christian Brother Institution, Shillong, Sri Richard Uria, the Principal, North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Jawai, Sri F.C. Sulai, retired primary school teacher, Polo, Shillong, and Sri Arun Wazri, the Principal, Shillong Public School, and Dr. Father Phillips Abraham S.J., the Principal, Loyola College and the Loyola Higher Secondary School, Williamnagar, East Carolina. These are the 12 co-opted members to assist the commission.